Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to reset the toner empty. My case is a brother JP Dopor, but anyway, any brother with similar model 254D. Okay, the first thing you have to do, you can just post the one in the beginning. There's an instruction there. I'll show you because I cannot see the LCD, it's the camera. You won't see it. So all you have to do is open that, the drum unit. After you open that, it will say replace drum, and then you just hold OK, and then hold OK, and then press the start. Don't yes or no. Don't push anything. And then press the start. It will say 0, and then you have to press up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The up button, and then start. Then it will reset. Okay? Got it? Thank you. Subscribe!